educate and give understanding. I'm here to help. Now it's up to you to listen. It's up to you to prosper and enlighten yourself. My mentors are millionaires. One of my mentors is 31, bro. He became a millionaire in 17 months. He's a deca millionaire right now. Flourish. Living the dream. And I plan to make 6 figures by the end of this year. And I plan to take 10 of y'all with me. Who's coming? Say I am, I can, and I will. Only like-minded people will understand. Message me, DM me, hit my number. I'm taking 10 of you guys with me. I opened a project right here. I launched it in the States. Who's coming?